In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts in Xero without using bank feeds. Now, if you have expenses, payments, or other transactions to track and can't use bank feeds, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through a simple way to reconcile your accounts manually using imported statements instead. First, you'll want to log in to your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Accounting tab. It's typically found at the top of your screen. Clicking on this tab will open a drop-down menu, which includes the Bank Accounts option. Go ahead and click on Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page where you can see all the bank accounts you've set up in Xero. Find the bank account for which you'd like to reconcile transactions. Once you've located it, click on Manage Account. Within the Manage Account menu, you'll see several options. Look for Import a Statement. This step is crucial as it allows you to manually import transactions from a bank statement instead of relying on automatic bank feeds. Click Import a Statement to proceed. Next, you'll see an option for Drag and Drop File or Select Manually. This means you can either drag your saved bank statement file directly into Xero from your computer, or you can browse your files and select it manually. Just make sure your file format is compatible with Xero. Typically OFX, QIF, or CSV are acceptable formats. Once your file is uploaded, click Next to continue. Here you'll need to assign fields. This means mapping the columns in your file to the corresponding fields in Xero. For instance, you'll map your date column from the spreadsheet to the date field in Xero. Make sure to do this accurately as mismapped fields could result in errors later on. Once you've assigned all necessary fields, press Next again. Now it's time for a crucial review. You'll want to double check the details to ensure everything has been captured correctly, with the dates and amounts aligning with your records. Making sure all information is accurate helps prevent future reconciliation issues and ensures accurate financial statements. After reviewing, you can finalize the reconciliation by confirming your entries are correct. This might take a little longer, but taking this extra time is worth the effort to ensure everything matches what you expect. And there you have it. Manually reconciling bank statements in Xero without bank feeds can seem daunting, but as you can see, it's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your accounting tasks a little easier. Be sure to leave any questions or comments below if there's anything else you'd like us to cover or clarify.